Will, do you know how cold it is outside? Can you just check for me?
Yeah, I can. Can you get the door for me?
Yeah, no problem.
Let me check it out.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Oh, can you open it a little bit wider? Like maybe just like all the way. I really want to feel the draft of air.
Yeah, no, I get it.
It was really hard to put in. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Bob? Making bagels?
I'm at the We Rise Up launch party. Super excited. I'm about to go on the red carpet with Kevin Bacon, and we have an opportunity to speak to this amazing crowd tonight and talk about things that cause us to rise up to do social good in the world.
Since launching 60degrees.org here actually at the Sundance Film Festival. The gentleman that I'm going to introduce to you, he's got a company called Sackcloth Ashes, and here to tell you about it is Bob Dalton.
And on June 1st, 2018, our 4-year anniversary, we launched our first major campaign called Blanket the United States, where our goal is to donate 1 million blankets to homeless shelters by 2024. And we're going to... hundreds of blankets to be able to give to shelters because of our partnerships, 2 shelters in Utah. I'd like to close with a few things. One is a text message from my mother while she was on the streets. She says this: I left Oregon 16 weeks ago. I asked God then to please help me be the person He wanted me to be. I left everything I was alone, sick, robbed, stranded, afraid, but I never gave up. I still have faith. Nobody can take your faith and your strength away, even when you are at the bottom. I am thankful at how amazingly strong I have become through him. I can't wait to see you guys again. I'm gonna have my friend Kevin Bacon here. He's gonna be passing out blankets with me.
Guys?
Yeah.
This is kind of our main dorm area. This is what we'll fill up first. We'll sleep 140-something people here. You know, they could be in here, you know, for 7, 8, 9 months, you know, something like that. We feed our homeless friends every day.
You serve about how many meals a day?
Up
to 500?
Yes, yes we can.
Everything must end.
Bye, you guys. Have a great day.
Woo! Another successful blanket drop.
That's right.
And
Books.
spreading some love.